Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Patrick Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Not much change in Tesla, not an inside day or anything. It still can't get above our key levels. So this is going to be a very fast video. Rotation zone on the daily, right at this 1433 level, so that's of major importance. That's the one I'm going to be paying attention to, and still 1556 to the upside. So if we get above 1556 on a closing basis on a longer term chart, or on a one. I say get above. What I want to see if I'm watching a short-term chart is a move above that, retest, and then a move back up. Separate from that, I want to close on a longer-term chart. So if I'm more actively trading something, I want to move above it, a retest, and then a move back up, or the same thing to the downside. That's to confirm that that level's actually broken. If not, then I want to close on a longer-term chart. So those are the levels we're watching. Major support now coming in based off the daily. If we were to break down at 1253. That's it for Tesla. Talk to you later. Bye for now.